Hey there! Today, we're sharing updates on our marketplace order processes to help you sell and gift more efficiently. It's designed for SDRs, marketers, and account managers to personalize and scale their gifting efforts. Let's get started. Let's begin by creating a marketplace order and reviewing the updates as we go. First, navigate to the Marketplace tab and click Start Order. Select your recipients and proceed to the next step. Here's our first update: country selection. If the recipient's profile does not specify their country of residence, you can now add it manually. This ensures you can choose gifts that are available in their respective countries. Additionally, if multiple recipients are from the same location, you can easily select gifts for all of them simultaneously. Simply checkmark the recipient profiles and proceed to selecting gifts. However, this step is optional. You can still curate a personalized selection of gifts for each recipient individually if you prefer. Once the selection of the gifts is finished, proceed to the following steps and place the order. And now, on to the fun part. Find your newly created order under the Orders tab and select it. In addition to the familiar features like graphs, stats, individual gift progress, and reviews, we've added several new functions to enhance personalization, all in one place. First, as you can see, you can now change the owner of this order and view the highest budget spent per gift. If you scroll down, you'll notice that the products you selected for your first recipient are set as default options for the subsequent recipients. You can modify the order in which they'll be displayed on the redemption page and view them in the grid mode. Of course, the gift selection can be modified for your existing and future recipients as well. To view or make changes to existing recipients' information or their gift selection, please click the Edit button next to their profile. You are free to add or remove gifts as needed. This brings us to the next update: editing recipients. If you or your colleagues need to update the recipient list, simply click the Edit Recipients icon. On this page, you can add or delete recipient profiles as needed. Please note that you can remove a recipient from the order unless they have already claimed their gift. After making any changes, don't forget to click Update Order and proceed to confirm the default gift options or curate a new selection of gifts for the recently added recipients. The final update for today focuses on the redemption page distribution. Previously, Giftpack handled sending invitations to your recipients. Now you can do this yourself at any time. Simply click the send icon and the system will automatically email the invitation to redeem the gift to the selected recipient. Alternatively, you can copy the redemption link and distribute it as you see fit. That's it for today's update. We hope these new features will help you personalize and scale your gifting campaigns effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.